Alright, what's up? We're back on this S10. A little more info for you here. So now we've got the motor in, we're all done there. We've already got our Flaming River power steering pump on. We've got to do our lines. We'll have our remote reservoir set up for that. We've got everything done as far as the carb, our plug wires. We've got our headers wrapped. Got all that stuff tucked in there nice and neat. We've got our custom transmission mount that we made. We've already had the tank out. Done the modifications to the fuel tank that's needed. Run larger line all the way up to the front. Fuel regulator, everything else. So now we're about to the point where we're ready to start getting some wiring and get all that set up. Won't be too far from firing this bad boy up. The biggest complications on this stuff is, of course, is space. These trucks are not designed to have small blocks in them, V8s. They're designed to have 2.2s and little V6s, 4.3s. So fitting everything in, making sure everything fits, clears like it's supposed to, all that kind of stuff has to be taken into consideration. It's not just as easy as just drop it in there and just set it up and we're good to go. So a lot of things to check, a lot of clearances to make. And again, now we also have to go and finish up with our drive shaft and setting that up because of a custom length that we needed to get everything set up there. So we've also went ahead and, at the owner's request, set up the rear leaf springs, took those out and set him up with some mono leafs in the rear, drop it down a little bit. So we got everything situated there. So everything's been moving right along. You guys keep watching and we'll have more for you. Thanks.